Ta-da! Our book is ready and now you can buy it on Amazon. Opening the box, I thought that there was the 50% of chance to make an error, but no, I was able to open the box and the book were upside down, and when I turned the book they were in the wrong position like this. But finally this is the book. We were able to realize. Thank you for letting us know the cover that you prefer. At the end, this one was the most chosen by you. Also, if some one of you give different advice, thank you for the advice, but it was impossible to realize. Yes, it's true, more cold cuts will be better. The prosciutto in this position even better, but because me and l'uomo di casa we live so far, almost 1000 kilometers, was impossible to meet again, to do the pictures, to let you know again the new picture and decide it. So we need to use the material that we had already. Sorry guys. Now I can show you how it is inside. There is also a few pictures, but only to remember the kind of cold cut that we have made in this book and here on the channel. Somebody asked me about the prosciutto and the spec. Don't worry, you will see the video very soon. If you have bought already the book, scanning the QR code, you can watch already the video. For the other that have not the book, you need to wait few weeks, 1 month, and also this video will be posted only to let some time between one video and another of the cold cuts, because many of you also ask me beer, cheese. Maybe next book will be about beer or about cheese. So if you have some idea, some advice, let us know down in the comment also what you want to see in this future book. In this way we can organize with the recipe that are missing, and also what information you need to start your home brewery, we can say, or to start your cheese farm. I don't know if it's the right name of this kind of things in English. Is a kind of translation from Italian word we call caseificio, where they make cheese, and birreria, where they make and sell beer. I forgot about the prosciutto and the spec, because somebody already asked me how is it the situation. Very important, I use this occasion to show you that when you open, we say, or you start cutting these cold cuts, you need to cover the part that you open. Now I'll show you like this with a plastic wrap. In this way will stay wet, not dry and not full of salt, but only this part. The rest should stay open like this, no cover, because the salami, the meat, need to breathe, we say. If you completely cover it, will become rotten, so please be careful. Same things the prosciutto. Now I turn it, I open it, and I close with the plastic wrap, so here will be always fresh, ready to cut it, but keeping it in the fridge will keep aging, but you will learn this in the next video. Okay guys, see you in the next video. If you have bought the book, let us know down in the comment your opinion. Bye bye, and thank you guys for your support here on the channel.